If you use Android and hate annoying ads, stop scrolling. In less than 2 minutes, you'll know the best settings to block them. Ready? Let's get started. Ads on Android can be super frustrating. 1 minute you're scrolling, and bam, another ad. But guess what? You can fight back with these 4 settings. First, open Settings and tap Connections. Scroll down to More Connections Settings, then tap Private DNS. Switch it from automatic to private DNS provider hostname. Type in dns.adguard.com and hit Save. This blocks a bunch of ads before they even load. Next, let's tackle Chrome. Open Chrome, tap the 3 dots, then go to Settings. Tap Site Settings. First, hit Notifications and choose Don't allow sites to send notifications. No more sneaky alerts. Go back, tap Pop-ups and Redirects and turn it off. Tap Ads and make sure it's set to block ads on sites that show intrusive or misleading ads. Now, let's stop floating ads from apps. Go to Settings, tap Apps, hit the 3 dots, pick Special Access, then Appear on top. Turn off this setting for any app that shouldn't pop up over others. Try these quick fixes and say goodbye to annoying ads. For more easy Android tips, hit subscribe. Simple settings, real results.